Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We have a tank with a pressure gauge. It reads 506 kPa. The atmospheric pressure is 94 kPa. Find the absolute pressure in the tank. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. So we've got a tank, we got a pressure gauge, and we've got the atmospheric pressure. Step 2, list all the givens and unknowns, what you're trying to find. So we've got gauge and atmospheric pressures respectively. We're trying to find the absolute pressure. Step 3, find the formula for absolute pressure. So PABS is absolute pressure, is equal to PATM, the atmospheric pressure, plus P gauge, the gauge pressure. So everything's given, you just add them up and you get your absolute pressure. So 94 kPa plus 506 kPa is 600 kPa. Easy as that. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. So I'm sure you're familiar with snipping tool. For those that have never used it, follow the instructions. Okay. And for those that are on Mac, just use your Mac equivalent of snipping tool. So click on the icon if you're using a Windows PC. So it will be in your taskbar. If not, type in the Windows search snipping tool. Once you've opened it, click on the video icon, so video option, and then click on new. Then left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Next, start the button. So click the start button and then wait for the countdown. Then hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, and then hit the red square to stop recording. Then save your video. Alright. Like and subscribe, share with your friends. This is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.